Hey everyone, it is Chase with the Giles Real Estate Team outside our brand new listing down here in Houston at 9207 Cadillac Street. This home is just under 1,400 square feet, is 2 bedrooms that are generous in size, and has a great backyard. You're gonna love this tour. And I'm excited to show you all the special upgrades the sellers have chosen and selected. And I think it really elevates the home, and it's exciting because this could be your next property. Let's get you inside on the tour. Before you walk into the home, you and your guests are greeted with this front patio that has this nice wall and a little small gate. You're surrounded by these crepe myrtles, and it's a perfect spot to have a little patio where you can sit and enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. It adds this nice, quaint feel to the home right before you're greeted with this beautiful wooden front door. Now, let's get you inside the home. Right whenever you walk in, you are greeted with this foyer vestibule that separates the two halves of the home, the living and the kind of the sleeping bedroom side. First, we're gonna go here and show off the living room. I do want to point out that this home has plenty of storage space. They have utilized all of the nooks and crannies really well. And so at the front of the foyer, there's this folding coat closet that's perfect for some additional storage. Whenever we walk into the living room, you're gonna see these kind of nice vaulted ceilings. It makes this space feel expansive, plus you're surrounded by windows, so there's lots of natural light. The focal point of this room is gonna be this beautiful brick fireplace that does have, a gas function to it, so you actually can utilize it. There's a nice big white mantle at the center of it, which that you can hang your TV right above. There's a breakfast nook at the side of this space with this great kind of light above, and it separates kind of where you would prepare the food in the kitchen to where you're gonna enjoy and entertain. One of the features that I actually really like about this home, again, is the additional storage. And I do wanna point out that underneath this little seating area on both sides, you've got some hidden storage there. So you can throw board games, throw some, blankets or extra pillows or whatever it might be whenever you have friends come over. Here in the heart of the home is the kitchen, and there's a lot of nice upgrades here. The sellers have selected a white cabinet, which makes it light and bright in here. Plus you've got 2 windows, one that overlooks your front yard and your driveway, and one by the breakfast table that overlooks the backyard. Again, we've got lots of storage in here. You've got upgraded granite countertops, a nice modern backsplash, a farmhouse sink with this stainless steel faucet, plus all stainless steel appliances. So you got a stainless steel range, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. There's, again, lots of storage here, and the sellers have chosen to upgrade things like pull-out shelves in the pantry and additional blinds that overlook the windows in the backyard. Right next to us here is the door to the garage, and there's actually another half bath in the garage too. If you're entertaining people outside, they can easily go and use that restroom with additional privacy. Here to my left is gonna be the breakfast nook. I've said this before, but it does overlook the backyard, and you've got some good light there. It's kind of this nice secluded space with this light overhead where you can grab a quick bite to eat in the morning. It's a great space if you don't want to have to use your full dining room. Some additional important upgrades that the sellers have done that are important for you to know about are the double pane windows all throughout the house. Here in the living room and in some of the bathrooms and outside, we've got surround sound speakers that actually come with the home. Plus, there's gonna be all new PEX piping throughout the house that's gonna prevent any kind of water leak that we may have if there's another freeze. In addition to that too, there's a brand new tankless water heater. You've got endless amounts of water on demand. The first of the 2 bedrooms that we're gonna see today is this primary suite. As you can see, there's plenty of space for a king set and some dressers and any other furniture you may have. Some upgrades in this room that I really want to point out is actually this nice wood look tile that goes throughout the home. So the sellers have selected this lighter color, which really kind of brightens up the room, makes it feel light. We've got a built-in speaker in this bedroom for you to play music throughout the house. It's a really nice upgrade that I really enjoy. And again, we've got lots of windows in here with blinds. So if you want the natural light, you can get it. But if you want privacy, you can shut those too. If you walk down the hallway, you're greeted with another secondary bedroom that is generous in size. Currently, it's being used as a nursery, but if you wanted to use it as a guest bedroom, that would work out perfectly as well because there's plenty of space for your guests to spread out. They actually have this nice little nook here that overlooks the front yard where they can sit down and just relax a little bit as they join. You again have wood look tile into this bedroom and a generous size folding door closet for additional storage, or if you're using it as a bedroom, there's plenty of space for all your clothes. Although this is the only full bathroom in the house, it does not lack a single thing. At first glance, we've got a tall vanity with double sinks. It's got a leathered granite countertop that adds this nice luxury feel. Plus, there's plenty of cabinet space underneath that vanity as well. I love that the sellers have actually expanded this walk-in shower to maximize as much space as possible. Another great thing here too is that you actually have a full jetted tub where you can sit down, relax, and enjoy a nice bath. You've got a toilet, a nice private door, and a window to let in some more natural light. This bathroom is really luxurious and highlights all the extra details that the sellers put into the property. This oversized backyard is going to be perfect for entertaining, and that's exactly what my sellers have used it for in the past. There's plenty of paved concrete back here to set up picnic tables, to have friends over. You can entertain, watch the Super Bowl. They've done many parties like that. There's lots of spots for your grills. There's nice shade from some of the trees, and you get an outdoor shed that comes with the home. Plus, you've got some exterior speakers and TV to be able to watch those Houston Texans and Astros. I knew you were gonna love this tour. If you have any more questions about the property, feel free to reach out to me. There's gonna be a link down below in the description where you can get additional information about the property. If you wanna schedule a private tour, call that phone number and we can set it up for you. Thanks for coming on this tour, and I'll see you on the next one.